is Gabriela Gouveia. I am 22 years old. I am from Venezuela and I am an English and Spanish teacher who likes to share experiences around the world. I like for my students to learn as much as they can. So this is my first goal. I am passionate, charismatic, responsible, and kind. I am open to student suggestions so we can work together in an effective way and we can reach their goals. I got graduating from University of Education in Foreign Languages and I also took an English course in London. I created material for the classes. We work in grammar, speaking exercises, podcasts, and others. In my free times, I like to play the keyboard and write stories. I like languages. I speak English, Spanish, Portuguese intermediate level, and I am currently learning French. I hope to hear from you soon.